Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Hope you guys are welding. Alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube. Today, on today's video, I'm gonna try to show you why you should delete your truck and why you should not delete your truck. Alright, a lot of people ask me the question, Manny, I want to delete my truck, and some people don't know if they should, or even how the system work. What are the cons? What are the pros? Alright, so I'm gonna try and explain to you guys how to delete your truck and how does it work. I deleted mine a couple years ago and I love it. I love it. It works perfect, 100% perfect. All right, but without further ado, let's get it. So DEF or blue, AdBlue, whatever you want to call it. There's different brands. It's pretty much ammonia and water. So 2012 and newer trucks have it, and you add it right there next to the diesel on my ramp. Some trucks have it on the front, but since I don't have a DF no more, I don't use it. All right, so I'm super glad that I did. That's one thing right there. That's one pro right there. You save money by not buying that stuff. Also, another pro when you delete your truck is that you save fuel. That's right. Um, since you don't have all these filters right here, this is the one filter right here, catalyst, with the DF goes in. All right, so that's another pro right there. You save fuel. This is a DPF filter, which I'm gonna explain what it does. All right, and so you also lose some weight because you put a straight pipe. You don't have all this weight of these filters. They're heavy. Okay, pretty heavy filters. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you guys how this is the all these filters and DF works, what it does, and how why you get like water coming out of your pipe and it's stuck out of the dealer. So this is a diesel tank right here. You pour your diesel here on my ramp. The DF tank is next to it on the front. Also, where you pour it in is right there next to the cap. Okay, so this is a DF tank, and then your diesel come to your engine. Right here it gets burned, and this is the EGR ball right here. So from diesel we'll jump to the EGR ball. This ball, it opens, and the diesel, if it's too contaminated, whatever, it opens, and you pretty much what it does, this system right here, it just put the smoke that it would have come out of your pipe, it turn it back into your engine, so you pretty much burn fuel twice. Okay, well, not fuel twice, but like the smoke that it should have been on the out of the pipe, it comes back into the engine, and that's what the EGR valve does. So pretty much, and to resume, EGR makes your engine run hotter. All right, and then this other filter right here is just a filter that cleans the smoke, and then we go to the DPF filter. This DPF filter, it has some ceramic inside, I think. It's a big filter, it's a heavy filter, and this DPF filter, if it doesn't get hot enough, all right, um, diesel from it gets deposited right here into the DPF filter. So the DPF filter has to get hot enough and able to be able to clean the diesel or the smoke. Okay, so this filter has to get hot, and if it doesn't get hot, like in the mornings or like in cold weather, diesel gets poured into this DPL filter right here. So that's why you save fuel when you deleted it. And then this other filter right here, it has a sensor, and if it's not clean enough, it's gonna tell the computer, and the computer is gonna pour DEF from this tank right here. So DEF will go into this filter to the third filter, the SCR filter, and that's when it cleans the smoke even more. Okay, and that's what the DEF does is just pours from this tank. It pours right there into the filter, so it can clean the smoke. So you get vapor or water coming out of the pipe. Okay, so it's pretty good idea for the environment, but not for your truck. Like I said, EGR valve makes your truck runs hotter. This is the EGR valve right here. It makes your truck runs hotter. The DPF filter, it makes pretty much waste fuel, because if it's not hot enough, it's gonna ask for diesel. It's gonna tell the computer that it's not hot, and the computer is gonna pour diesel into it. It has like a little valve in there. And then the SCR filter, if it's not clean enough, it's gonna ask for DF to the computer. The computer is gonna give DF to that filter, which you're gonna have to give it to it, and it's a lot of money you're gonna save. All right, by deleting that stuff. But you know the cons on this, guys, is that if you delete the truck, the warranty goes out. But I would probably recommend for you guys to delete it once you reach at least or past that warranty. And that's what I did. My truck reached 90,000 miles. It was out of warranty already, so I deleted it, and I'm super happy. I save fuel. My engine runs cooler, and everything's perfect, 100%. All right, but that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.